yung tubig na sa ano. Minus 50 degrees.
Wednesday and Thursday nights or Saturday mornings. And don't forget those last-minute stocking stuffers. The University of Delaware Ice Arenas offer ice skating passes, which make great holiday gifts. Don't miss the Ice Skating Stars of the Future on Friday, December 3rd. Equipment, taxes, and fees, including broadcast TV fee extras, subject to change. Minimum 2-year contract required. You might be thinking to yourself, what do I get? I gotta go shopping and get something, but I don't know what to get. What should I get? Problem solved. The holiday season is here, and Ideal Image Laser Hair Removal is offering 50% off all laser hair removal. That's a pretty big deal. 50% off?
It's a huge deal, and what is amazing is when I look in the mirror every day and notice how much my legs improve since I started Ideal Image.
Kia is looking sexy.
But Tingle, I gotta say, you're not looking as sexy as me, but you're still looking good. You speak the truth, my love.
Maybe okay. Let's get back to the point here. Ideal Image Laser Hair Removal. Safety is their #1 priority, so that's why they only use FDA-approved.
Dahan ka lang dahil manipis yung natin, gulong.
Give him a call now. Schedule
Hindi kumakapit maski pa 4-wheel drive yan.
Season's here, baby. 50% off all laser hair removal.
1-800-BE-IDEAL.
Mama.
1-800-BE.
May tiwala naman ako sa'yo, anak ko.
Wala ka tiwala sa ano ah.
Nagkikare lang ako
Nga,
sa ano.
you keep saying a negative thing about, you know.
30 p.m. Enjoy Immaculata's beautiful Christmas decorations, Christmas music, and caroling.
Marunong ka na sumagot.
Sinasabi ko lang ma, sinasabi ko lang. Hindi isakot yun ma.
Yan, hinamo na yan,
Stupid
heater mo.
Stupid lang sinasagot yung sinasabi yung iba.
Yes, marunong ka na nga sumagot eh.
Ano yung akong sumagot? Like,
Tumatakbo ka nga eh. Sabi ko na sa'yo, manipis yung gulong natin eh. Tumatakbo ka pa rin na mabilis. Pag nakaano ng nail yan,
wala kang masaya ma. Tama na yan.
okay. Mahimik ka na lang.
Ikaw nga dyan eh.
Oh, nanay mo pa tatahimik. Sabihin mo pa sa nanay mo tumahimik.
Some call it a fight song. To us, it's a love song. E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you some refreshing news.
We were here at a field at Jack's Ginger Farm on a sweltering summer day with a question farmer. And oh wait, here he comes.
I've asked y'all here on this hot day because I have something to share with the world.
Crop Circle.
Is it a record-breaking rutabaga?
The Lawn Shelby Farming Channel.
Nope.
Folks, may I trouble you to look down? See the crops at your feet? Please grab the nearest one. That's it. Now really grab on. Pull.
There's ice cold Canada Dry Ginger Ale growing down here.
Here, too.
That's because it's made from real ginger. That's right. Canada Dry Ginger Ale.
Angela, kunin mo yung ano sa likod.
Oh, tamad.
Ang galing naman tong mga anak ko. Ang gagaling.
Pag magluto kanina, ayaw mo magluto. Galing ka rin din, no? Sado mo.
Come on, baby. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on.
Oh, pinagupa mo talaga, baby, yung... Ay, basta. Baka nga may tubig dun. Ay. Oh, baby. Yan.
Dahan-dahan.
karga tong sakyan na to.
Bakit?
Ang kapalagay nyo, bukas yung ilaw niyan, di ba?
Alin?
Nakabukas.
Buti nakita mo, hindi ko nakita.
Sabi ko sa'yo, Marco, maulan eh.
Yung nga, ay, panyedo.
Yelo ba? Happy birthday! Lola!
Ang kailan sasakyan mo bukas yung
Uy, dito kayo?
Ay, hindi ko napindot.
Hindi man talaga.
Happy birthday, nanay!
Ken, yung sakyan mo, boss, ang ilaw sa loob.
Alam mo kasi darating kami, baka hindi niya makita.
Ganda naman ng preparation mo, Pando.
Kung dumating ka, matutuwa na kayo. Lumayas na asawa ko eh.
Nagaw mo.
Hinihintay ka, di ba?
Ano ba naman yung pinagsasabi mo parte ng nanay mo?
Wala kasi sinabi. Ano sa'yo, takip? Takip? Gusto nila yun eh.
Nasaan si Princess? Ano ba naman ni Gio? Hindi mo kami sinasalubong. Ay, diyan ka pa rin.
Sorry, maududan mo na siya. Sarge, meron kang basahan dyan o para ano? Ba? Pagkain mo sapatos mo, parang di mo na hanggang doon, nagbabasa tayo.
Pwede naman punasan yan. May bahay, ano naman ata yan. Alam ka naman magdala ako ng chinelas.
Happy birthday lang.